So in the previous video, I was showing you the promotion designer and how you can use that to get really sophisticated control over your promotions and change the products, the categories, the tactics that you're running in these different group structures. But there's a few more points on here that I wanted to talk through, which are really useful when it comes to creating and managing your promotions. So the first is this rules tab. So in Aforza, we have the concept of a segment promotion. And a segment promotion is when you target a specific segment or group of your customers. So traditionally with TPM solutions, you'll be targeting only specific accounts or specific nationwide chains of accounts. So for instance, you might sell to a chain like Walmart, for instance, and have all of your promotions active against the entire hierarchy of their nationwide outlets. And that's perfectly great, and you can still do that with the Aforza solution. In fact, it's one of the primary use cases we built it for. However, there's definitely still a need in the market to target customers that are part of a segment as opposed to a grouped nationwide chain. And this is where our segmentation engine and segmentation strategy comes in. So I can actually go and create predefined customer groups like VIP customer segments or bronze customer segments or silver customer segments. And once I've created those groups, I can then use them to target those customers for specific promotions or assortments or commercial policies. And the way we do that is really easy. So in this case, I can see I'm targeting the VIP customer segment here. It's a segment promotion. I'm actually going to change that and change it from the VIP customer segment to all customers. So now we're actually targeting every single customer with this promotion, which is a valid strategy. But I want to show you how we actually narrow that target segment down using the rules tab on my designer. So some cases you might want to target specific segments, but you then might also want to start narrowing it down even further. And this is what the rules tab does. So on the rules tab, I can see how I'm targeting my customer base with this promotion. And currently I can see I'm actually targeting 21 of 22 different customers because we've got this proximity rule in here where I'm actually selling only to customers within a certain vicinity of this proximity. I can also see the different channels I'm targeting. So actually for this promotion, I only want it available via mobile and telesales. I don't want my customers being able to come in and use this promotion in the e-commerce channel. But for instance, I could turn that on very easily and turn off telesales very easily. And then I've got the profiles. So these are profiles that I can actually use it. So these are profiles you set up in your Aforza environment. So you would have your sales field users, you would have your telesales users, you might have your key account managers. So you can actually give access to and from these different profiles to use this promotion when they're talking to customers. And then promotion reach, this is really where we're seeing an estimate of how many customers are going to be available to purchase this promotion. So we're currently targeting all customers within a certain proximity. What happens if I want to start narrowing that down? So what I can do is actually create rules using my attributes. So I can see here I've got a number of attributes I could use. For instance, if there's affluent customer base, the age range of the typical demographic that shops there, are they allowed to sell alcoholic beverages? Are they close to a beach? These are completely configurable, so you can pick whichever ones you want. In this case, I'm going to select VIP, which is that VIP tag. So it signifies if a customer is one of our very important customers. I'm going to add that. And now I get a little line saying VIP is equal to true or false. And if I select true, if I look down at my promotion reach here, we're actually now down to 4 out of 22 of my accounts. So only 18% of my customer base is now available to purchase this promotion. I could also obviously set that to false, and that then updates to show that only now actually 17 of my 22 accounts are available to purchase it. So it's giving me this estimate of how many accounts I'm going to be able to reach with this promotion. And I can start layering these on. So I could add another one here. Let's choose that alcoholic beverages toggle. I'm going to set that one to true. And now actually 0% of my customers can use that one. So no one's allowed to sell alcoholic beverages, which is a shame. And let's choose false instead. So we're back to 17. So you can quickly see how you can build up very, very targeted promotions using this attribute and these rules functionality. So it gives you very precise control over where the promotion should be run, who it should be run by, and what customers you're targeting. And this is all completely dynamic. So as your customer base changes, perhaps there's new VIP customers or existing customers that you want to make VIPs. As soon as you signify that they're a VIP of that attribute, this promotion will be available and open to them. The other capability we have that I want to talk through is our digital assets. So one of the most important and critical things when you're going to market with a new promotion is making sure that your sales team and your field teams have access to all of the right content and branding and material to help convey that promotion to the customer. So using our digital asset management, which is built in as part of our promotion capability, you have the ability to add and to manage all of the different digital assets that your customer base might need when you're actually showing them that promotion. So this could include your planograms for how you should be setting up and displaying your promotional products on the shelves or in the merchandise. This might include the actual pictures of merchandise, which you then have to show to the customer to show them how it's going to look in their store. This might be floor plans about certain target locations that you have to put the merchandise into, and you can discuss this with your customers. And of course, it might also be the brochures or the promotional marketing content that you wanted to have displayed or you want to be able to show to your customers. And it's really important that we hold this on the promotion itself, because otherwise you can get mixed messaging, you can get inconsistent branding and inconsistent compliance planograms and floor locations. So by having it on the promotion, having that available for my field team in real time, it's making sure that our customers know what they're signing up for when they select the promotion from us, and that everyone is going to be on the same page and everything will be put in place 100% accurately. And this is important when it comes to measuring your promotion compliance during execution time, because if you haven't actually been upfront with the customer and you've given them the wrong material or collateral or contracts, then they are obviously going to claim that they've just followed what was given to them. So these two tabs are obviously really important. I'm going to come on to insights in a later video. That's really where you can start getting into the optimization of how a promotion is running, and that's obviously extremely critical. So I want to spend a bit of time with that one. But in my next video, I'm going to go through promotion execution and how you actually execute this promotion in store now that you've got it planned and all of your digital assets are there and you're targeting the right customers.